The peacock! Go get it, Isaac! Hurry! Put your beer down!
We were trying to chase it towards
Catch it! Catch it!
Oh god!
I'm tired now.
Oh, it's running away!
Bring it back here! I think he just scared us.
That was hilarious.
We were trying to chase
And we were wondering why you guys were like running.
and then you're like, oh! You couldn't do like another half an hour of that?
Hey, you stopped around here.